Hello there, this is Miki from WorldCrest. Today I'm going to show you how to sew an inseam pocket for a top, like this. We usually see these in skirts or pants, but tops deserve pockets too, and honestly it's not that hard to add them. This method is really similar to the French seam pocket with the earlier for a skirt. Most of the work happens on the front piece. For each pocket, we have two pocket back pieces. They're pretty easy to draft. Just check out our drafting video to get yours. I marked the wrong side with labels so we can keep track. And since we're using French seams, our side seams have a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance, or about 1.5 centimeters. Now let's get started. First, let's decide where the pocket goes on the side seam. If you follow the drafting video, you should already have notches on the top piece. On my sample, unfortunately, the pocket ended up really close to the hem because I didn't leave enough allowance. I recommend at least 1.5-inch hem so the pocket doesn't pull on the bottom when it's used. Now place the pocket front and garment front right side together. Draw a box 5/8 of an inch wide from notch to notch, and then stitch along the three sides of this box. Trim inside the box down to about 2 millimeters, and then clip carefully into both corners, right up to the stitching. Then flip the layers wrong sides together and press so the corners sit sharp and flat. The edges inside the box are raw, but that's fine. They'll be hidden between the garment and pocket bags and never get exposed, so they don't really ever get a chance to fray. I like to run a line of top stitching 1/8 of an inch from the edge to seal them, but you can also understitch if you prefer. Now take the other pocket bag and place it behind with wrong sides together, lining up the curved edges. Sew the curve at 1/4 inch. It is really small, but I don't have to trim it down later. Flip the pocket so the two pieces are right sides together. Press along the curve and sew again at 3/8 of an inch. That's our French seam for the pocket bag. Next, the side seam. With wrong sides together, place the back piece on top and line it up. Stitch 1/8 of an inch along the seam, right across the pocket opening. Then flip right sides together and sew again at 3/8 of an inch. As you sew, feel along this opening edge with your fingers to make sure you don't catch it. When you're done, the inside looks neat and the outside has a clean pocket opening. One last tip, when hemming, you don't want the pocket to get folded together with the hem. It will add bulk. My pocket is unfortunately too low here, so I may need to unpick a little at this corner and trim the bottom. And that's it. Here's the finished pocket. On a top, it won't hold as much as one in pants, but it's just so much more useful than a tiny patch pocket. That's why I love adding these to the tops. Hope this helps, and happy sewing!